Positive thinking is a powerful tool. Positive thinking doesn't mean you're denying the reality of your situation. It means you're seeing the reality and focusing your thoughts on everything that's going right, rather than what's wrong. How and why positive thinking can change your life. Positive thinking has been shown to have a number of benefits in studies. It can improve your mood, increase your resilience in the face of stress, and even boost your immune system. But how exactly does positive thinking change your life? And why does it work? Let's take a look at how positive thinking can change your life for the better and some of the science behind why it works. 1. It can improve your mood. If you're feeling down, negative thoughts can make it hard to see the silver lining in any situation. But if you start practicing positive thinking, you may find that your outlook on life becomes sunnier overall. In one study, individuals who listed 3 nice things that happened to them each day for 21 days felt happier and less unhappy in the end. 2. It can help you cope with stressful situations. When you're under pressure, it's easy to fall into a negative thought pattern and dwell on all of the worst-case scenarios. This can lead to anxiety and make it harder to cope with whatever is stressing you out. Fortunately, positive thinking can help. In one study, people who were asked to imagine a positive outcome to a stressful situation felt less anxious and better able to cope with the stressor than those who imagined a negative outcome. 3. It can boost your immune system. Your thoughts and emotions can have a big impact on your physical health. One study indicated that persons with negative ideas about aging, such as growing old means losing my health and vigor, were more likely to acquire a cold after a stressful event. Interestingly, another study found that people who practice gratitude were more likely to exercise and eat healthy foods, which can also boost your immune system. 4. It can help you achieve your goals. If you're trying to achieve something, whether it's getting in shape or quitting smoking, positive thinking can help you succeed. One study indicated that persons who thought about their goals in positive words, "I am becoming more fit," were more likely to attain them than those who did not, "I need to get in shape." 5. It can improve your relationships. Positive thinking can also lead to better relationships. People who are more optimistic tend to have higher quality relationships than those who are pessimistic. And in marriages, couples who have a more positive outlook on life tend to report higher levels of satisfaction and communication than those who have a more negative outlook. Please do like and subscribe for more.